now we go to the ordinance regarding the court.
And on that, we had just received, actually, Melissa had received from Judge Taylor, Jamie Taylor, who's the Arkansas 14th Circuit District Court Judge, which, anyhow, under the Office of State Court Administrators is what I'm used to calling it, but that's really a term in Missouri. I think in Arkansas they just call it Arkansas Office of Court Administration or something like that. But in any event, they want these district courts, these district circuits, because it's not the circuit court, but the district courts which have a circuit, like the circuit court does, to have an agreement with any municipality that's considered its own division or its own department, which the city of Mammoth Spring does, and of course historically had its own municipal court, and then transferred the municipal court to the circuit court, or excuse me, to the district court 10 or 15, I'm not sure what the time was, but some time ago. In any event, I don't know that this is something they've ever required of the city before. Of course, I wouldn't be familiar with this since there's about a 25-year gap from me being the city attorney down here. But in any event, they are requesting that, and it's just kind of a pro forma agreement, which can be done by ordinance, that the city is agreeing that the district court is to hear its criminal prosecutions and infractions on at least a once monthly basis. So that's what that ordinance reflects, and also allows that the court can set the time, date, and location. It just has to, the city has to acknowledge that agreement or that understanding through ordinance that they will be holding it elsewhere besides in the city of Mammoth. And be in Salem, yes. And I don't know, the officers could probably answer that question better than I. What the date? Do you know what the current?
I think it varies.
Does
I'm
it?
not sure.
Yeah. But anyway, that's something that Judge Taylor, or I presume sets, or maybe the local rules among the circuit court and bank, or something like that. In Missouri, that's how we do it. Is a circuit court and bank sets our court hours and days. But in any event, that's what that ordinance is for.
Okay, we'll go to the ordinance 05, B2025-05.
I need a motion to introduce it and place it on its first reading.
I'll make a motion that we introduce ordinance number 2025-05 and place it on its first reading.
All in favor?
Yes.
Second. All second. All in favor?
Aye. We need to read the whole thing, Jim?
Yes.
You can read it, or you want me to?
Go ahead.
Ordinance number 2025-05, an ordinance allowing for an agreement with the 14th State of Arkansas District Court to allow Mammoth Spring Department of said Fulton County District Court to meet in Salem, Arkansas, and for other purposes. Whereas Arkansas Code annotated 1617-138 requires that various divisions of the district court agree to the location of the district court hearings if they are to be held in a different location than where the department is located. And whereas the Mammoth Spring Department of the 14th District of the State of Arkansas, Fulton County is regularly held in Salem, Arkansas, county seat of Fulton County, Arkansas, and whereas it is preferable to continue with the conducting of the Mammoth Spring Department of the 14th District Court to continue being held at least once a month in the city of Mammoth Spring or the city of Salem. Now therefore, be it ordained by the City Council of the City of Mammoth Spring, Arkansas, Section 1, that there is an agreement between the City of Mammoth Spring that the Mammoth Spring Department of the 14th District Court of the State of Arkansas, Fulton County, Arkansas, continue to be held once monthly on a day and time established by the 14th District Court Judge in Salem, Arkansas. Section 2, that an emergency is hereby declared, and this ordinance shall be in full force and effect from the date of its passage.
We need a
Motion to introduce it, or
I just need a motion for the second reading by title.
Title only, okay.
Make a motion for the second reading by title only of ordinance 2025-05.
An ordinance allowing for an
Well, we
agreement.
need a second.
Oh, sorry, second.
I'll second it.
all in favor?
Aye.
Okay.
An ordinance allowing for an agreement with the 14th State Arkansas District Court to allow Mammoth Spring Department of said Fulton County District Court to meet in Salem, Arkansas, and for other purposes.
Now you need a third and final reading. A motion for that.
Can you say so moved?
Sure.
Second.
Second.
All in favor?
Ordinance 2025-05, third and final reading. An ordinance allowing for an agreement with the 14th State Arkansas District Court to allow Mammoth Spring Department of said Fulton County District Court to meet in Salem, Arkansas, and for other purposes.
Now we need to go to roll.
Need a motion to pass it.
Make a motion to pass ordinance number 2025-05.
I'll second.
Favor?
Aye.
We need a roll call.
Yeah, Alderman Davis,
Yes.
Alderman Alford,
Yes.
Alderman Odell,
Yes.
and Alderman Marshall.
Yes. Ordinance 2025-05